The Honda CG125 Special is more than just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of reliability, simplicity, and durability. Since its inception in 1976, the CG125 has carved a niche in the global motorcycle market, particularly in regions where rugged, low-maintenance, and fuel-efficient motorcycles are highly valued. The CG125 Special builds on this heritage, offering riders a blend of classic design and practical performance. The Honda CG125 was first introduced as a solution for markets with poor road conditions. It was built to be durable, with features designed to make it easy to maintain, even for those with limited mechanical skills. Over the years, the model has become a favorite for commuters, students, and even small business owners who rely on their bikes for daily transportation. The heart of the CG125 Special is its reliable 124 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. This engine is known for its exceptional fuel efficiency, making it ideal for riders who prioritize economic commuting. The engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox, which provides smooth shifts and easy handling for riders of all skill levels. The Honda CG125 Special retains much of the classic design that enthusiasts have come to love. Its retro styling, round headlight, and simple bodywork give it a nostalgic charm that appeals to both older and younger riders. However, Honda has added subtle modern touches, such as updated instrument panels and improved ergonomics for comfort during long rides. One of the standout features of the CG125 Special is its remarkable fuel efficiency. Thanks to its modest engine size and Honda's engineering, the bike can achieve impressive mileage figures, making it one of the most cost-effective motorcycles in its class. This fuel efficiency is especially appreciated in countries where fuel prices are high, further cementing the CG125 Special's reputation as an economical choice. The CG125 Special is competitively priced, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. It is available in many markets across the globe, including Asia, Africa, South America, and parts of Europe. Although it may not be as widely available in North America, it remains a popular choice in countries where affordability and practicality are prioritized.